Arrow sent me this 8-inch adjustable wrench and asked me to give my opinion on it and make this short video. So let's see what you get. Here's how it comes shipped to you. This is your standard 8-inch adjustable wrench. It's got a little bit of oil on it, so for in shipping, they grease it up a little bit for you so it's ready to go, and so they don't have any worry about corrosion while it's in storage and while it's shipping. So this thing runs forward and back super smooth. You can just see that here, how easily that works. So the adjustments are pretty precise. Going in here from, you can see it's marked from 0 right there to 1/4. And this will extend out to, let's see how far we can get with it, all the way to 1.25 inches, which is handy. A lot of these only go to 1 inch. So if you're trying to do something on a plumbing pipe or whatnot, that's probably going to be an extra 1/4 inch that you might need. On the back side here, it's also marked and it's got these millimeters. So it's going to take you out to about 30 millimeters on the measurements there. So you can see that. But it's a standard adjustable wrench. It's got a nice form factor to it. It's got like a plastic inset here in between, and it's a drop forge type of steel that puts this thing together. It's 8 inches long, which is a good size to have. It's pretty versatile. This is the kind of thing that, you know, you're always using these. It seems like you always need an adjustable wrench handy, an extra one in your tool bag. This would be a great one to get. Hey, I hope that helped learn a little bit more about this Arrow 8-inch adjustable wrench. Hope this information is useful to you. And as always, I hope you have a great day.